Hello everyone, welcome to Dijopedia. Today we will be learning about a function called enumerate, and what it does is it basically adds a counter to an iterable object. Now what is mean by that? Let's say we have a tuple or a list and we need to keep a track of each item. So we can use enumerate, which gives us an index, or you can say a counter. So we can use as an index variable to jump on that item or a value. So let's learn how to implement that function, that is enumerate, in Python. And for that we will get two outputs from enumerate function, and we will define a tuple of subjects first. English, maths, Urdu. Urdu is our national language in Pakistan. So we will get two output from enumerate, and we just pass it our tuple. So let's print our index and item as well. So it print out 0 English, 1 math, and 2 Urdu. That's great. So in today's video we explore and learn about enumerate function and how to implement that in Python. That's it for today. Thank you so much.